We continue our Mechanical Keyboard Day celebrations. In week number 2, we're giving away a sleek 60% mechanical keyboard, the Ducky Mecha Mini. The Ducky Mecha Mini is the manufacturer's first of the Mecha line. It features a minimalistic design with a full aluminum casing to give it a sleek yet high quality and robust base frame. That, in combination with the compact 60% layout, allow for more space on your desk and enough room for handling your mouse. And for even more convenience, you can detach the USB Type-C cable. But because of the small size, you may think that some functions compared to regular sized keyboards have been sacrificed. However, I can assure you that this is not the case, as the Mecha Mini supports the Ducky Macro software, which lets you personalize functions as you like. It's even possible to define mouse control functions. To give you, the user, the best durability and typing experience, Ducky decided to choose PBT double-shot keycaps with side laser engraving for the Mecha Mini. You'll also get a reliable performance thanks to 100% anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. The RGB single key illumination is fully customizable as well, so you'll get all the lighting effects and colors you desire for. Under each keycap, you'll find our fastest switch for desktop applications to date, the Cherry MX RGB Speed Silver. Due to the linear switching characteristics combined with the low spring resistance, the silver switch triggers directly. That's why this MX variant is your guarantee for a successful gaming session when milliseconds matter. Alright everybody, you know the game. You only have this week, so from May 17 to 23, to win this Mecha Mini with our MX RGB Speed Silver switches. On top of the keyboard, the winner also gets these 2 PBT double-shot keycap sets from Ducky. To enter this giveaway, simply follow the link in our description. I wish all participants the best of luck and happy Mechanical Keyboard Day. Take care.